Freeform Lifestyle is all about creating delicious and exciting recipes but avoiding gluten or dairy. So many people have intolerances and I love to cook, so I've developed methods to still get great results. These are just a handful of my recipes, including gnocchi bake, stuffed chicken, pies, curries, soups, stews, pizzas and puddings. All comforting and perfect for the autumn-winter season ahead. Gluten and dairy free does not have to be boring. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for step-to-step guides and ingredients so you can make these delicious meals for yourself.